With testing hard to come by, the city of Orange holds a pop-up drive-through testing site. News 12 New Jersey's Naomi Yane was there.
The last group of cars waiting to be tested today just pulled through here at this drive-through testing site at Salerno Medical Associates. They're on 523 Park Avenue here in Orange. Right now in the city of Orange, almost 5,000 new cases, rather 5,000 current cases, I should make that correction, 5,000 current cases of COVID-19. This drive-through testing site opened out of sheer necessity, and that's to meet the demand of New Jerseyans looking for COVID tests.
We're seeing about 600 to 700 patients a day. We're noticing that the community is answering, so we're trying to open up as much as we can for them.
Right now in the city of Orange, there are just over 4,900 cases of COVID-19, 81 new cases today, with 1 death since this recent surge. The city is about 80% vaccinated. Salerno Medical Associates tells us of all the people they test, at least 30% of them have positive test results.
That's pretty high, especially from what we're used to. Just a couple months back, everything was a little down.
They add the more they test, the more positive cases they discover. And these swelling numbers have prompted local leaders to take action.
Right now, my law department is reviewing an executive order to make sure that we require people to wear masks in all public places, in stores as well.
The Centers for Disease Control put out new quarantine guidelines shortening the isolation period.
The CDC guidelines is recommending anybody that tested positive, whether they have symptoms or not, to quarantine at home for 5 days. And then after they return to either their work or to be with family, to wear PPE, which is a mask or any sort, for an additional 5 days.
CDC says science proves that transmission happens in the first 2 days before you become symptomatic. Now, in talking with Mayor Warren, he tells me City Hall is closed until January 10th, and on that date, only essential personnel will be allowed back in the building. He also says schools are on a hybrid model right now. He's also working on putting together a task force to go door to door and just check on some of our most vulnerable residents. Now, if you want to get tested and you want to maybe do a drive-through site like here at Salerno Medical Associates, they're testing all this week until Saturday. They open up at 8 a.m. They run through until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You don't need an appointment, but you do have to bring your ID with you. If you have insurance, bring your insurance card, your physical insurance card with you, or have a social security number to give to the associates here in Orange. Naomi Yane, News 12 New Jersey.
Naomi,